Dear students, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. How are you? I hope best for you. I am Mukesh Kumar. Welcomes you to online Mukesh Online Academy. आपका मुकेश ऑनलाइन एकेडमी में स्वागत है एंड वी आर डूइंग द मैथ्स ऑफ क्लास 8 फ्रॉम द एनसीईआरटी बुक वी आर डूइंग ओके एंड वी आर डूइंग द चैप्टर नंबर 5 that is the data handling and we have covered already this chapter into the previous two videos in which first video we did about the introduction, okay, and the second one we made the different graphs, okay, like bar graph, double bar graph, pictographs that we made. I hope you would have seen those videos. If you have not still seen, I have given the links into the description, so it is better you watch those videos before watching this video, because every video is in continuation of the previous one. Okay, now one usual tip: just take out your notebook and pen and start practicing with me. You know, in maths, practice is the key for the success. More you practice, more you get. Less you practice, less you get. And I hope you must be practicing after watching my so many videos. Okay, and if you have any doubt, if you have any query, then you can always write to me on the WhatsApp or email. So we will make another video for your queries. Okay, and I hope you must be getting knowledge from my videos. Kindly share it with your friends, subscribe to it, ask your friend to subscribe. And in this video, what we are going to do, how to organize the data. You learn how to make the tables, simple tables in the class 6 and 7th. Now in this video, we will learn how to make the tables in a little complicated way. Okay, means we can group the data. So here we will learn both the things, simple frequency distribution table and the group frequency distribution table. Both we will learn into this video. So now let's do it. So now we will do organizing data. In the last video, we had done about the graphs. We had drawn the bar graphs, double bar graphs, and the pictograph that we had done. Now how to organize the data? See, we can get the data in so many forms. Like we get the data mostly in the number form or the name form. But whatever is the meaningful inference, whatever we want, for that purpose we have to organize data according to our need. Unless we organize the data, it is nothing. Okay, it is the raw data. Okay, so now first let's write raw data. Raw data. So what is the raw data means? The data which we have taken. Like suppose if we took the height of the different students, so that is the raw data. Suppose if we take the age of the different children, okay, in an area, that is the raw data. So whatever information we have to need or we want, then for that information we have to organize the data. Okay, usually data is available to us in an unorganized form. Okay, and this is called raw data. Okay, now to draw meaningful inferences, we need to organize data systematically. I hope this is clear to you. Now let's take an example. Okay, how do we organize the data? So by example we will understand how can we organize the data. Okay, see, this example is given. A group of students were asked for their favorite subject and the results are recorded as blue. Okay, so these are the different results are given, and now the question is which is the most liked subject, which is the least liked subject. So what we have to do? We have to count each and every subject separately. Then only we can tell so which is the most liked subject and which is the least liked subject. But this we cannot represent this and every time. We cannot count this every time. So what will we do? We will organize this data in the form of the table which we call the frequency distribution table. Okay, and that table you have seen or you have learned how to make it in the class 6 and 7th also. So now first let us understand again how to organize this data in the tabular form by using the use of the tally marks. Okay, so for this we will have to make a table. Okay, we will make the several columns for this purpose. Okay, so this is the name of subject. First we will write name of subject. Okay. And in the second column, we will write the tally marks. Tally marks means we will give 1 mark against that. And then we will write the number of students. Okay. Now, first let us see what are the different subjects. We have the art. So we will write art here. Then we have the mathematics. We will write the mathematics also. We have the science. We will write the science. We have the English. So we will write the English. And we have any other subject other than this? Art, math, science, English, math, English, art. There is no other subject. Okay, so these are the only subject. If suppose anything comes, then we can write it again. Okay, now first one we have the art. Okay, so art is given. So we will write the 1 line against it. And we will just strike it so that we know that it has been counted. Then we have the mathematics. We will write the 1 line in front of mathematics and then we strike it. Then we have science. We will write 1 mark here and we will strike it. Then English and we will write 1 here, 1 line. Okay. Then again we have the mathematics. So we will make 1 line again in front of the mathematics. Then we have the art. So we will make 1 more line in front of the art. Then we have English. So we will make 1 more line in front of the English. Then we have mathematics. Then again we will make 1 more line against mathematics. Then we have English. Then we will again make a line against it. Then we have art. We will make 1 more line. Then we have science. We will make 1 more line here. Then again art. Then we will make 1 more line against the art. Then we have science. We will make 1 more one line again in front of science. Okay. Then again science. We will make 1 more line against the science. Then we have mathematics. So we will make 1 more line in front of mathematics. Then we have arts. Okay. Now already in the arts we have the 4 lines. So what will we do? For the 5th line, we will just cross it. So that means we have made a block of 5. So this shows that these are the 5 students. This whole sign will show, this whole sign shows that this is a block of 5. Then we have the English. So we will make 1 line against the English. Then we have art. So we will make 1 more line now. Then we have the science. So now again we have the science 4. So we will make the oblique lines to make it a block. Then we have the mathematics. So in mathematics also we have drawn 4 lines. So we will just strike this line to make a 5th one. Okay. Then we have the again science. So we will make 1 more line against the science. And when we have art, then we will make line against the art. So this is how we will make the use of the tally marks. Now, what are the number of students? See, 5 plus 2. There are 7 students who have liked the arts. Mathematics, there are 5 students who have liked. Science, 5 plus 1, the 6 students have liked. And then English, the 4 students have liked. Then we will just make a total of it. Okay. So 7 plus 5, 12 plus 6, 18 plus 4, 22. Let's check whether they were the 20 students or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So there were the 22 students. So we have got the correct answer. Okay. Now we have to check that which is the most liked subject. So the number of students are more in the arts. So that means the art is the most liked subject. So what will be right the answer? The most liked subject is arts. This is the subject which is liked by most students. And which is the least liked. So the number of students in English are very less. So that means the least liked subject is English. I hope this is clear to you. See, whenever we are making the table in this form, this is called the frequency distribution table. Why do we call it frequency distribution table? These number of students is called the frequency. Frequency means the how many number of times particular subject is coming. Okay, so that means the art is coming 7 times, mathematics is coming 5 times, science is coming 6 times, English is coming 4 times. So that means how can we write it? The number of times a particular data occur. That is called the frequency of this. Okay, so that is why we also call that frequency distribution table. So this table is also known as frequency distribution table. Okay, now what can you see here? That when the data was not organized, so we had to count each and everything. Now we have made the data in the tabular form. So now this is the organized form of data which is into the tabular form. And from this table we can directly come to know that which subject is liked by how many students. Okay, so that is how we can infer the meaningful reference or meaningful information when we organize the data. And this, since this is the frequency of the each subject, so we also call that the frequency distribution table. I hope this is clear to you. So now we will do the try these, which is given on the page number 72. See, what is the question? A group of students were asked to say which animal they would like most to have as a pet. The results are given below. This is given like dog, cat, fish, rabbit, and we have to make the frequency distribution table for the same. So the same way that we have made the above table, we will make this table also. Okay, so first let's draw the lines, and this is the pet, so we will write name of pet. Okay, then we will write the tally marks, and then we will write the number of students. This number of students is also known as the frequency. Okay, now the pets that we have the dog, we have cat, we have fish, we have rabbit. Any other thing? We can check if we have any other thing. No, otherwise we have the cow also here. Okay, if anything more comes, then we can take later on. Okay, now let's draw it. First we have the dog, so we will draw one line here. Then we have the cat, we will draw one line here. Then we have the cat, then we will draw one more line in front of cat. Then we have the fish, we will draw one line here. Then cat, again we will draw one line here. Then rabbit, we will draw one line here. Then dog, one line in front of dog. Then cat, one line in front of cat. Then rabbit, one line in front of rabbit. Then dog, one line in front of dog. Then cat. Now we will make it, strike it, make a oblique line to make a group of 5. Then dog, we will make one line. Then again we have the dog, so we will make one more line like this to make it a block. Now we have the dog, again one more line. Then we have cat, so one more line against the cat. Then cow, we will make one line against the cow. Then fish, so we will make one line here. Then rabbit, we will make one line in front of rabbit. Then dog, we will make one line here against the dog. Then again cat, we will make one line here. Then again dog, we will make one line against the dog. Then cat, we will make one line against the cat. Then again cat, we will make one line more against the cat. Then dog, we will make one line against the dog. Then rabbit, we will make one line against the rabbit. Then again cat. So in cat again we have made the 4 lines. So we will just strike it. Okay. Then fish, we will make one more line against the fish. Then dog, and again the dog has been 4. So that means we will make the 5th line like this. Clear? So dog, we have the block of 2 blocks of 5, 5. So that means the number of 10 students have liked it. Here also cat, we have the 2 blocks. So again the 10 students have liked it. The fish, the 3 students have liked the fish as a pet. 4 lines, we will write 4 here, and 1 line, we will write 1 line here. Then we will make a total 10 plus 10, 20, 3, 23, 27, 28. So 28 is coming. Now let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So our total is also coming 28. So that means we have done it correctly. Okay. So now I hope you understand it. How to make the frequency distribution table. So first what we do, we just write the name of the pad here, and whatever is given, then we will just put one line against that. As it comes, we will just strike it. So we do not forget it. And then whatever number of lines are coming here, we will write just as a number of students. So this is the frequency and the total. Then we will make it just to make sure that we have done it right. I hope this is clear to you. Clear? See, we have made the frequency distribution table, but here we have around 20, 28, 30 numbers. That's all. What if the numbers are more? Suppose there are 100 numbers, 50 numbers, 60 numbers, and there are so many numbers also. Okay, here we have the just dog, cat, fish. We have just 4 or 5 datas. Clear? But what if the numbers are more? Then in that case, we can make a group frequency distribution table. We will club certain range. From this range to this range, it should come here. From this range to this range, it should come here. So we'll make a group. So within that group, we will fit that data. So that is called the group frequency distribution table. So now let's understand how to group the data. Okay. Grouping data. Okay. Now, why do we need to group the data? When we deal with a large data, then simple frequency distribution table, like as we made earlier in examples and try these, is not easy. Okay, then we have to use a different method. And what is the different method? We group them. Okay, so this is used for the grouping data. Now let's take an example. Just we will understand this by an example. Okay, this is the example given. Consider the following marks out of 50 obtained in mathematics by the 60 students of class 6. Okay, there are so many marks are given. It will not be very easy because there will be sometimes continuous marks also. So it will become a very long table. So what will we do? We will just group the table. Okay, how can we group the table? Let's understand. We will make the groups. We call them classes. Okay, then as we have written above, we will write the tally marks, and then we will write the number of students, or we call it frequency. Okay, so we can take group according to our convenience, or if it is given into the question, then we can take according to that. See, first of all, we have to check which is the least one and which is the most one. So least and maximum. Here what we can see, 17 we are looking at least. I think there is, yes, 16 is there, which is also least. Do we have, yes, 7 is there. Do we have any number less than 7? We don't have any number less than 7. So the least marks is the 7. Okay. Now we have to see the most ones. 50 we have most out of 50. So 50 will be the most. So maximum marks we have the 50. Right. So that means we can group them like 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50. This way we can group them. But remember, it will come 0 and more but less than 10. It will come 10 or more but less than 20. Means 20 will not come here, 20 will come here. Same way 30 will not come here, 30 will come here. Same way 40 will not come here, 40 will come here. Same way 50 will not come here, 50 will come into the next, 50 to 60. Clear? Now, same way, there now first 21. So 21 will come between 20 and 30. 10. 10 will not come here. 10 will come here. So we will write 10 here. 30. Same way, 30 will not come here. 30 will come into this one. So we will write 30 for 30 here. 22 will come between 20 and 30. 33 will come into the 30 between 30 and 40. 5. Yes, we got one more. So this is, we have to change. This is the least is 5. Okay. So we will have to make one line here between 0 and 10. 37 will come between 30 and 40. 12 will come between 10 and 20. 25 will come between 20 and 30. 42 will come between 40 and 50. 15 will come 10 and 20. 39 will come between 30 and 40. 26 will come between 20 and 30. 32 will come between 30 and 40. Since we have already made the 4 lines, we will just make a block of it. Okay. 18 will come between 18 and 20. 27 will come between 20 and 30. So we will make the block here. 28 will come between 20 and 30. 19 will come between 10 and 20. So we will make the block here. 29 will come between 20 and 30. 35 will come between 30 and 40. 31 will come between 30 and 40. 24 will come between 20 and 30. 36 will come between 30 and 40. 18 will come between 10 and 20. Then 20 will come here, not here. Remember, okay, it will come here. 38 will come between 30 and 40. 22. Now between 20 and 30 we have already made the 4 more lines, so we will make the block here. Then 44 will come between 40 and 50. 16 will come between 10 and 20. 24 will come between 20 and 30. 10 will not come here, 10 will come here. Okay. 27 will come between 20 and 30. 39 will come between 30 and 40, so we will make a block here. 28 will come between 20 and 30. 49 will come between 40 and 50. 29 will come between 20 and 30. 32 will come between 30 and 40. 23 will come between 20 and 30. We have already made the 4 more lines, so we will make the block here. Okay. 31 will come between 30 and 40. 21 will come between 20 and 30. 34 will come between 30 and 40. 22 will come between 20 and 30. 23 will come between 20 and 30. 36 will come between 30 and 40. 24 will come between 20 and 30. 36 will come between 30 and 40. So we will make the block here. 33 will come between 30 and 40. 47 will come between 40 and 50. 48 will come between 40 and 50. So we will make a block here. Okay. 50 will not come here. 50 will come here. So we will write the 50 here. 39 will come between 30 and 40. 20 will come here, not here. It will come here. Okay. So we will make the block here. 7 will come between 0 and 10. 16 will come between 10 and 20. 36 will come between 30 and 40. 45 will come between 40 and 50. 47 will come between 40 and 50. 30 will come between 30 and 40. It will come here. 30 will come here. 22 will come between 20 and 30. And 17 will come between 10 and 20. I hope this is clear to you. So now let's write the number of students of frequency. So here we are having 2. So we will write 2 here. If we have the 2 blocks of 5, 5. So that means 10. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks, means 4, 5 are 20, and 1 more. So 21. 1, 2, 3 blocks of 5, 5, 15, and 4, 19 will come here. 5 are 2, 7, and 1. Then we have to make a total of it. 2, 1, 3, 9, 12, 7, 19 or 1, 20. Carry 2, 1, 3 or 2, 5 or 1, 6. So there were the total 60 students were given here. So we are getting the 60 student total. So that means our answer is correct. What can we say that? The students who got the mark 0 but less than 10. is 2. The student who got the marks 10 or more but less than 20 are 10. The students who got the marks 20 but less than 30 are 21. The student who got marks 30 or more but less than 40 are 19. Who got the 40 or more but less than 50 are 7. Who got the marks 50 or more is not there, only 50 is there, so one student is there. So that means the maximum students have got the marks in the range of 20 and 30. So what is the result that we can hear? The maximum students have got marks between 20 and 30 and then 30 and 40. So you can say the maximum of the variety have got the marks between 20 and 40. This is how we can just group the data. Now, since we have grouped the data, so this is known as the grouped frequency distribution table. So what is the name given to it? It is called known as the grouped frequency distribution table. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. So the data, if we are representing by this way, then this representation of data is known as the grouped frequency distribution table. This group is called the classes. The group that whatever we have written here, okay, these groups are called classes. Okay, like 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 and so on. Okay, now this class have one upper limit. So 0, this is the lower limit of class, and 10 is the upper limit of class. So that means every class has got the lower limit also and upper limit also. Same way, this is the lower limit of class and this is the upper limit of class. Clear? So we call them classes or class intervals. We can call them into both ways. Now, this is the lower number. See, this is the lower limit, this is the upper limit, lower limit, 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 upper limit. So every class has got lower limit also and upper limit also. And the difference between the 0 and 10 is called the class width or class size. So what is the class size? Class size means upper limit of class minus lower limit of class. So we call this the class size. Like for this, we have the class size 10, 20 minus 10, 10, 30 minus 20, 10, 40 minus 30, 10, 50 minus 40, 10, 60 minus 50, 10. So this is the class size. Okay. So I hope this is clear to you. So now let's repeat. Whenever we have a large amount of data, as we just saw into the question, then making the individual reference will be very difficult. So what we do that, we just group them, we just club them, we make a group, we just make a range. Okay. So here we have just made the range like 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60. And these are called the classes. And this is called the lower limit of class. This is called the upper limit of class. And this is same is true for each and every class. The difference between the lower limit and upper limit is called the class size or class width. Then what do? We whatever the data is given, we just make the tally marks against that class. That means if there is any number which is less than 10 but 0 or more, then it will come against this. Same for here. Here in this 10, 20, the data will come or the numbers will come 10 or more but less than 20. Here 20 or more but less than 30. Here 30 or more but less than 40. Here 40 or more but less than 50. Here 50 or more but less than 60. I hope this is clear to you. And after making the tally marks, see, we make the block of 5, 5. When we make the 4 straight lines, then we have to draw the 1 oblique line. So it makes a block of 5. We can count the number of blocks and then we can just write the number of students that gives a frequency. That means the marks 0 to 10 occurs for the 2 students. I hope this is clear to you. So dear students, in the next video, we will do try these on page number 73 and 74, and we will do the bar with a difference, means the histogram, how to make a different kind of graph with the help of the grouped frequency distribution table. Okay, and we will do the try these on page number 75. Okay, Thank you so much for your watching. Write your comments about the video and any query and any doubt about the topic into the comment box, or you can write to me on the WhatsApp or email. Okay, and if you have any query, then definitely we will make another video for you. And I hope you must be getting knowledge from my videos. Practice along with me. More you practice and more you get. So in mathematics, only practice is the key. Okay, kindly share it with your friends, subscribe to it, ask your friend to subscribe. Thank you so much.